Hello everyone.
Hello guys.
Hello guys.
Hello everyone.
Welcome to Denesh Daily Vlog. So hi guys, welcome to Denesh Daily Vlog. Today is another day at Kelantan. So I'm at Kelantan town, Kota Bharu town, and at street art at Kota Bharu town. So this is street art. As you can see, behind me also street art. So this vlog will be like tour around Kelantan town. Tour around Kelantan town and Kelantan city center. Kota Bharu city center. Kota Bharu, Bandaraya, no, Bandar Islam. Bandaraya Islam. Yeah, BRI, Bandaraya Islam. Okay, so as you can see, so all are street art. If you see this place, here is the Kota Bharu town. That's Kota Bharu town. So it's quite cloudy today. So this is the street art. Kota Bharu street art. Similar like Penang street art and Malacca street art. Let me show you. Where else? So this one. Here also got. There also got. Here also got. The sad thing is no one here. I'm alone here. They should promote their tourism. Kelantan state government should promote their tourism. Early less tourists to this country, this state. I think very less. I can't see even one foreigners here. There's a carpet. There's also one carpet. Night should be nice, guys. I guess so. See, I'm gonna go street by street. Actually, I'd like to explore street by street by walking. Check this view, guys. Kelantan River. When I'm taking train from Gemas, after it crossed Kelantan state, I saw a lot of river at Kelantan. So this is Kelantan River, and there's a lot of hotel here. This is Pelangi Mall. I don't think so there's any store open here, inside here. Above here got apartment. There's an apartment. There was an apartment. Floating market thing. So let me enjoy this view. Sit here and just rest for a while before I start to walk again.